Main level living at its best in the picturesque neighborhood of Owls Trail. Easy living abounds in this almost new brick and vinyl, low maintenance, 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with versatile, spacious upper level bonus room. You will find beautiful flooring throughout the home, carpet, tile and vinyl plank, stylish doors, +9 main level ceilings. Enjoy a generous kitchen with gray shaker cabinetry, quartz counters, tile backsplash, island, stainless steel appliances, pantry, and dining area which opens to the light-filled great room. The main level primary suite affords a bath with double sinks, a beautifully tiled shower, garden tub, and walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms share a hall bath. Enjoy the fall weather on a fabulous covered patio that overlooks a gorgeous backyard with a fenced area. HOA maintains the yard/landscaping. Easy access to major highways. Just minutes from shopping, restaurants and medical centers.